to my vlog. And here again the mall. See, this is what I like in this mall. The painting on the wall. They have a nice painting here. Oh, the small shop still closed. The groceries is already open. The grocery they open early. Usually it's Monday. Here, I need to buy what I need to cook today and tomorrow. And the grocery is still quiet. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share some thoughts. See, I'm here in Lulu. That's the small shop down the building.